But sometimes it is a hassle, right? It's a hassle. Where some but let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Select by Pinkvilla. Today I bring you the most exciting episode of Get Ready With Me. As you all know, it's wedding season and it is the most glamorous season of every year. I love wedding seasons. But sometimes it is a hassle when it is a last minute wedding preparation. That's why I have a quick solution for that. So I will be creating a very simple yet gorgeous look which anyone can recreate, be it beginners. So let's start. I always start with my eyes first because I don't like the mess on my face, the eyeshadow mess on my face. And I like to do my eyebrows the old way, concealing them and making it very sharp. I'm going to do that today. And it's obviously wedding season, I want to look sharp. I'm applying the K-Beauty concealer on my eyelids. So for eyeshadow, I'm using the Mars Bold and Beauty palette. I'm using the pink shade from it. It's a very bright pink. Taking the excess product out. So for the glitter, I'm using my fingertips because it's easier. I'm using a very bright shade. I love this shade. I told you it's easy. I'm gonna use Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. So I'm using my favorite Essence Lash Princess mascara because wedding season, it can be really tough. You can't handle all those falsies. This will give you that effect. So for the last step, for eyes, I'm using Blue Heaven Kajal. For color correction, I'm using this palette by Inside. This step is optional. If you have hyperpigmentation, you can use this. If you don't have hyperpigmentation, you can totally skip this step. I'm going to mix two foundation. One is Mama Earth and the second one is Inside because I want my perfect shade. For extra coverage, I'm using K-Beauty concealer. For the glowy look, I'm using the K-Beauty liquid blush. So let's move on to the lips. I'm using my Glam's brown lip liner for the plum. So for the lips, I'm using Peri Pera Ink Velvet in the shade Fuchsia Pink. I love this shade. I'm using a liquid highlighter by Lakme.
So
I'm done with my makeup. I'll see you with my full wedding look. So this is my final look. It is good for any Punjabi wedding or any wedding. So my tip for last minute wedding prep, if you don't have a heavy dupatta or fulkari, keep your jewelry game strong. So this was it for today's episode. I hope you loved this look and I hope this video helps you recreating your wedding season look. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.